Hey, we are gonna check out this 18-volt Ryobi portable heat gun. This is a battery-powered heat gun, no cords, very portable, and it will heat up to 875 degrees Fahrenheit. This comes with a concentrator nozzle if you wanna kinda point your heat into one spot, and there's also a deflector attachment. This would work great if you're trying to unthaw a pipe. There's so many uses for this. You can put up window insulation, you can debadge a vehicle. What I'm gonna demonstrate this on is taking this sticker off of this glass bottle. It's always a pain to take these stickers off because you start working it back and you get all the remnants of the sticker. So that little bit of heat that I applied on this side, the sticker comes right off. You can see where I didn't apply the heat, and you're getting the remnants of that sticker. I love my Ryobi tools. I can use the same batteries for all of my tools. It makes it so convenient. You got an LED light here, and this takes about 10 seconds to get to the maximum amount of heat. Now you want to be careful here because this does get hot, but I can definitely feel the heat on my hand right here. You have a nice safety lock on the side here, so there's no accidental use. You just press in the side, hit the trigger when you're ready to go. Overall, I think this is a really awesome tool. I love the portability of it. I can access anywhere around my house or wherever I need it. I don't have to worry about plugging this in. The attachments are very convenient. This was a really simple tool to use and a great addition to your Ryobi collection.